for Arts, Culture, and Empowerment. So kami rin po yung actually nag-organize ng Gong Festival. So tinatawag po namin itong actually Tutuchu series. Tutuchu means to teach. It's a Kalinga word na sinasabi namin to teach. So bakit nga ba po tayo nandito? Ayun nga po dahil nandito ang ating mga iba't ibang audience from BSU, mga content creators. You have been ang tawag nito, matagal na partner na ng Gong Festival, ng IPs kumbaga, in promoting our culture. So inorganize namin to kasi we see it as very important kasi it's the digital age is very influential talaga. So maraming mga younger generations, older generations na nakakakita po ng mga content ninyo. So I think na it is time also to be aware na rin. Although I know you are aware, pero baka may matututunan pa po tayo dito. So ayun, welcome rin sa mga guest speaker po natin. I know na this is short notice, pero I appreciate it so much na nandito po kayo at nakikibahagi din sa amin dito ngayon. Once again, welcome. Sana may matutunan po kayo. Sana may matutunan rin po kami sa inyo. Kasi later on, may mga question and answer, may mga discussions po tayo later. So, feel free to ask na lang later and also to share your thoughts so we can learn from each other. Ayun, salamat po. Welcome po ulit. Welcome to Tutuchu series.